Hey, welcome back, Hitmakers Outdoors. I'm David, and what we've got here is about a 3.5 minute long video of just using the backhoe bucket. Right now I've got the bigger bucket on, but she's had me dig a couple of holes for some of the landscaping stuff that she's putting in. So right now we have I've got a smaller bucket I'm going to have to put on because we've got a lot of yard work and landscaping work and trenching with the backhoe, and new implements to drop videos on. There's a 84-inch cultipacker from Everything Attachments. We've done a lot of work here lately with the Titan Attachments 3-point tiller on the back of the tractor. So we got a lot of those things going on, a lot of projects right now. We're tearing up the entire yard and regrading that and putting in new landscaping all at the same time. Plus, we're planting a garden. So if you like that kind of stuff, consider giving us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time, Hitmakers Outdoors. Bye.